Adding video effects. To add effects to your clips, select the clip and click the FX button. In the Video Effects window, select an effect and adjust the parameters, previewing them in the Clip Preview window. Simply close the Effects window when you are finished. All of your changes will be saved. Continue watching for additional details on how to add effects to videos with VideoPad. To apply effects to your clips, begin by selecting the clip you want to modify. Then, click the Video Effects button on the toolbar or the FX button on the clip within the sequence. This opens the Video Effects window, where you can browse, select, and customize effects. Preview effects in the Clip Preview window as you adjust the parameters. If you're working with multiple tracks, use the View button to choose whether you want to preview just the selected clip, the clip and background, or all tracks simultaneously. To add a new effect, click the Add New Effect button and make a selection from the effects list. The effects list is divided between categories for easy browsing on the left side, or go to All Effects and use the search bar to find an effect. The selected effect will be added to the Applied Effects list. Each effect can be used with its default settings, or make adjustments to the parameters to customize the effect for your video clip. Some effects, such as motion, include presets. Simply click on the Select Preset drop-down menu and click on a preset to select it. You can preview the effect by clicking the play button in the Clip Preview window. If there is a widget in the Clip Preview, you can also adjust effect parameters by modifying the widget. Once you are satisfied with the applied effects, close the window. Your effects will be saved, and you can modify them at any time by reopening the Effects window. If you'd like to apply the same effects to multiple clips, select them in the sequence, and then click either the Replace Effect Chain or Append Effect Chain button on the toolbar. Advanced tools, such as effect masks, custom effect chains, and the animation editor, are available in the Effect window toolbar. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.